Something I've learned through both my personal experience and my work as a Six Sigma consultant is this. We cannot improve what we're unwilling to face. Kahit kailan ay hindi natin mababago ang anumang bagay na ayaw nating harapin. In process improvement, we always begin by understanding the current state. Ano nga ba ang kalagayan ko ngayon? It's not because we enjoy finding problems, right? Not because gusto mong makakita ng problema sa buhay mo, right? But because clarity always comes before improvement. And our financial lives work exactly the same way. So, if you have been feeling overwhelmed, please hear this. Feeling anxious doesn't mean you're weak. It doesn't mean you're bad with money. It doesn't mean you're a failure. It simply means that you are just human. Tao ka lang. And like any challenge, financial anxiety can be managed. Not exactly overnight for sure, but one habit at a time. And that is why Habundance, our community, isn't just about making more money. It's about building better habits. Because when our habits improve, our confidence grows, our clarity grows, and eventually, our financial situation begins to change too. Kailangan lang natin ng kalinawan para alam natin kung ano yung tinatahak natin, at kapag alam na natin kung ano yung tatahakin natin at kung gaano katagal natin to pagdadaanan, then we can change. Mababago natin yung buhay natin.